Ruthie and River's second litter has arrived. Here's their gender reveal. Puppy number 1 is a boy. Puppy number 2 is a girl. Puppy number 3 is a girl. Puppy number 4 is a boy. Puppy number 5 is a girl. Puppy number 6 is a girl. Puppy number 7 is a boy. Puppy number 8 is a boy. Puppy number 9 is a girl. Puppy number 10 is a girl.